Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection it is required, and then we can enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system options, and here on the second position we've got system update. Now let's tap on online update and check your device and wait actually, because your device will check for the updates. Basically, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your system is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second scenario is where your device will show you the information about the new update. It will show you the info, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install and apply the update to your system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.